Hello everyone. Today is June 21st, the International Yoga Day. We Augustine College of Nursing remembering the International Yoga Day. The International Day of Yoga has been celebrated annually on 21st June since 2015. Yoga is a physical, mental and spiritual practice which originated in India. The idea of International Yoga Day was first proposed by the Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi on September 27, 2014 with these words. Yoga is an invaluable gift of India's ancient tradition. It embodies unity of mind and body, thought and action, restraint and fulfillment, harmony between man and the nature. A holistic approach to health and well-being. It is not about exercise, but to discover the sense of oneness with yourself, the world and the nature. By changing our lifestyle and creating consciousness, it can help in well-being. Let us work towards adopting an International Yoga Day. The theme of this year is Yoga for Health, Yoga at Home. Yoga is a powerful tool to deal with the stress of uncertainty and isolation, as well as to maintain physical well-being. The word yoga derives from Sanskrit and means to join or to unite, symbolizing the union of body and consciousness. Today it is practiced in various forms around the world and continues in grow in popularly. The International Day of Yoga aims to raise awareness worldwide of the many benefits of practicing yoga. Yoga is very safe, easy and healthy way to set fit whole life without any problems. It just needs regular practice in right way of the body movements and breathing. It regularizes the connection between three components of our body, such as body, mind and the soul. Yoga maintains physical fitness, reduces stress, control on emotions, feelings, control negative thoughts, feeling of general well-being, improves mental clarity, enhances self-understanding, connects to nature and many more. There are several benefits of yoga. It focuses to reduce the rate of health-challenging diseases all over the world. Yoga is a path to discipline your mind. So, hope on this day every one of you could spare some time and join the path of meditation to a good physical and mental health. Thank you. Wish you all a very happy International Yoga Day.